Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and today I will be reviewing this Intermountain 2-bay covered hopper for the Detroit, Toledo, and Ironton Railroad. I haven't been uploading a lot recently because of school and sports. I've had a lot of races I've had to do, so I should hopefully be getting back into more videos in the coming month or weeks. Who knows? I don't know. But this is probably my most detailed car that's factory assembled, aside from my what do you call it? I'm forgetting what it's called. The exact rail box car. If I made a video on that, I'm not too sure. I should have. I don't know though. Yeah, I did. But so I've never had an Intermountain car, like factory assembled. I've all had their kits, so this should be very new to me. And I can already tell that there is a see-through walkway. The hatches are very nice. They have separate grab irons. You have this rod right here. I'm not too sure what that is. Here is the, I keep getting these mixed up, the B end, I think. So we got the brake wheel, and all these little grab irons are separately applied. You've got some more wire, handrails, and stuff. I think this is photo etch. Coupler cut lever. That's metal, I think. Metal knuckle couplers, Katie's to be exact. If you can see in there for the lighting, you can see we got the air tank and some brake assembly in there. Here's the other side. As you can see, the printing is very nice. And we have the underbody detail, which is just insane. We have metal wheels, plastic trucks, air hose, coupler, of course. We have the bays, the doors, hatches, if you call them. Well, I think the hatches are on top. We got the bracing. We've got some more detail on this side. And like I said, all these little grab irons are separately applied. They're done very nicely. I don't see any glue at all, which is good. As you can see, and here you can see all the way down to the bottom through the car. As you can see there, very nice detail. Not really anything other than that. I mean, there is some paint loss on this one, and it seems to be a little bent. Same with here. This car I think I bought this car secondhand, so I'm not sure if you'll get that with a brand new car, but just pointing that out. I mean, other than that, not really anything bad about it. Like I said, I haven't really spotted any glue marks. I mean, other than my fingerprints, that's just no biggie. Let's get this done on the track and see how good it rolls and the coupler height. So we'll do a quick coupler height test right here. Gauge. Here is the car. Now it looks to be at the correct height on this side, and let's test the other side real quick. Yep, seems to be good. Okay, now we'll get it on the track. Okay, so I have the car hooked up to this longer train. And as you can see, my layout is a little bit different. Just a tad. So we'll do one lap at maybe 35% on the Digitrax Cypher. So as you can see, it's doing pretty good, no derailments. I have a crossover that is really tricky. As you can see, it's doing good. This one is not it right now. It's coming up though. And my train derails. Sorry about that. Anyways, back to the video. Here we go. So this is the crossover I'm talking about. And I did it. Just hopefully none of my other cars derail. So there it goes. I'll show you full length of the train car. And this car will look good with my other 3 hoppers that I have. I have 1 clinch field and 2 US phosphoric hoppers. So, other than that, that concludes the video. So, see you at the next video.